Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling Hyper-V and rebooting. This activates the hypervisor layer so you can create VMs. Next, check BIOS for CPU virtualization and SLAT. Hyper-V needs them for performance and stability. Once done, decide resources. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM and 20 GB disk for a basic VM, and make a note of network type you want. Now open Hyper-V Manager and prepare to create a new virtual machine. I'll guide you through each option and why it matters. You now run the new virtual machine wizard. Choose Generation 2 for modern OS support. Choose Generation 1 only for very old systems. During the wizard, attach your installation ISO, set CPU cores, and enable dynamic memory to let Windows adjust RAM usage. Make sure to create or attach a virtual switch so the VM has network access. NAT or external modes change how it communicates with your host. Take a moment to review storage type and ensure the VHDX size, and you boot the VM and proceed with the OS installer. After installation, add Hyper-V integration services or guest tools to improve drivers and shut down behavior. Once the VM is stable, optimize by configuring checkpoints, setting backup policies, and adjusting CPU and RAM limits so the host stays responsive. If the VM has no network, check the virtual switch type, confirm the VM's NIC is connected, and verify host firewall rules. These are the most common issues and usually quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.